Alright guys, welcome to another edition of my unboxing, and today I just got this one in the mail. I got this one from Aliexpress, and this is the second version of the Airpods Super Copy 1-to-1. One is really look, the original. On the box itself, it has the Apple logo, Airpods, wireless charging case. And if you look on the bottom, there's a wireless charging case, Cupertino, California labeling. Okay, so I'm excited to open, and unbox. This one is the upgraded version than the one that I have unboxed before. Basically has the GPS positioning, so the other one that I have it doesn't have that. So this is the newer version, or I would say upgraded copy of the AirPods. Let's see what's in the box. So alright, just like the original, it has that user's manual, but this one is in Chinese. So yeah, everything is in Chinese, guys. Okay, and let me put this one back. Alright, this is the AirPods, and this one has, it has, feel of weight to it. It's similar to the one I have, but this one has more weight on it. So, and also the charging cable. Okay, I'm not gonna use that. I still have the other one charging cable. Okay, so let's open this and see how this one look like. Okay. Oh guys, yeah, this one has a look at the popping. It feels, like the original. And this one has the engraving, because I asked the seller make sure that it has the Apple, like engraving there. And also on the back it says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Okay, and alright, let's see if this one has the pop-up animation. Alright guys, so yeah, it's the same as the original, so it has the pop-up animation. So let's try to connect this AirPods. Connect. I'm gonna press and hold down the button on the back. Alright, it's connected. And if you see that, light also the same as the brand new. Alright, so this one is okay, I'm gonna put done here, and let's see if we can. Alright guys, so this one has it shows the battery here, just like the original. The previous AirPods that I have here, it doesn't show here the battery. So this one is pretty much similar to the original. And let's see on the Bluetooth connection. Let's see. Alright, it says ZOMEI AirPods. I'm gonna connect to it. Or maybe I can just select that. Alright, it's connected, and I'm gonna change the name. Just gonna put and put done. Go back. Alright guys, so this one has a double tap on AirPod function. Let's see the Siri. Okay, I'm gonna put Siri on the left, and on the right I'm gonna put play and pause. Okay, and okay, automatic ear detection and mic. Okay, alright, let me try. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, sorry guys, it shows my my light on the top, so bear with me. Gonna move this right here. Okay, I'm gonna take this one out. And by the way, this one has an engraving too, if you can see on the side. Alright. And the new feature also, I just want to mention that this one you can find the AirPods because this one has a GPS positioning. So when I go to find my devices, so it came up right here. So it says Matt's AirPods, so it shows up there. Alright guys, so this super copy of AirPods 2nd gen, compared to the previous one that I have, this one is exactly the same, you know, but the weight, this one is a bit heavier than the other one, and I think the price from the other one, there's only like a few dollars difference. The main difference of this one and the other one that I have is the, you know, just the GPS positioning function, and also you can change the name on the Bluetooth, you know, like name. Unlike the other one, it's just fixed to AirPods. So yeah, just if you want to get one for yourself, just check it out. I'm gonna put the buy link on the description below. And yeah, and this one has the reverse magnet too, so it, you know, when you open it, it stays open. And then the snap, it has a great snapping sound too. If you have this one on, you cannot tell the difference between the original and this clone or super copy. Let me know if you have questions with these. Just put comments down below, and then if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share this video to your friends, and it helps my channel to grow, so I can you know, inspire to create more video. By the way guys, this is not a sponsored unboxing. This is I'm using my own money to buy these stuff because I like you know, new technology, and also to share you know, this one to everyone, so it will help you to you know, to your purchasing decision as well. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace.